What's up? What's up? It's 29th, 29th May, and yeah, so nothing really has happened. It's already 4 p.m. Like market New York session will open in 10 minutes. So yeah, I didn't feel much today because nothing really happened. I at the start of the day I was looking potentially at US 30 trade, but it started to build this and be to the other side and yeah, just and it even didn't happen. So nothing here, and it started to pull back. Actually, every market started to pull back. So yeah, nothing to do really. All I want to see is bullish MBs still looking very fucking good. Indexes like this is what I want to see. MB1, MB2, and that's the same thing for every index. Let's say Euro stocks. Actually, Euro stocks starts to look pretty fucking ugly. If I would say if this becomes a week and market pushes back up, and when this candle closes in 2 hours, this is a week, I will look for entries, and it would look like something like this: MB1, MB2. But if this closes like this, then I will skip because this isn't good. Good market conditions. But if this becomes a week, then we would reject from the EMAs and potentially go higher. But yeah, it all depends what it wants to do. But at this point, still kind of valid, you know. Italy doing the same really. It's a little bit cleaner. EMA is beautiful at the moment, building that second MB. So if it stays around the EMAs and starts to build 1-2, then that's what I'm interested in. And really, yeah, that's about it. What else? Then US 500, nothing really. Just waiting again for that MB. We'll see if that happens. But kind of valid. It looks really nice to keep on going. We are building that fourth MB. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, or let's say 1, 2, 3. So it is looking really nice if it wants to continue going. Then we have this one, and I will try to risk my money on it. If market gives me the entry, I will call this as a one stage one, basically MB1, MB2. Right now, basically we are building that MB. So if this candle stays below this week for the next 37 minutes, I will take this entry. Yeah, but we'll see what really happens. So yeah. Japanese index as well. Exactly like, by the way, like I spoke about yesterday. Unfortunately, this happened over the night. I was looking, as you remember from the last episode, I was looking for entries in here, like first MB, second MB, and then I was looking at this fractal MB. As you can see, it fucking went, but I didn't take it because it was overnight. I was sleeping, obviously, so yeah, that's about it. But now, still, I'm the same as any other US indice. Looks nice, could be potential entry. It has been a few hours, and yeah, I will place an order. This is still valid. If market pushes a little bit lower, like in here somewhere, then I will pass this entry. I will not take it because the ATR will be too big, but at the moment still valid. So I'll be looking for entries. I'll just place an alert. And then looking at other markets, really nothing. I was looking for, as you remember, I was looking for MBs. Still, market is valid for me to look for buys, but I want to see those MBs. Right now, market looks very weak. So I just took a call trade. We are in, and yeah, just waiting for the strength so I can place my stop on a break even, and then 1, 2, 1, 4, etc. Then other markets, really nothing. US 500 still valid, I would say, in validation, so I want to see this and this. Japanese index still kind of valid, this and this I want to see. US 30 flush down, validation, nothing to do. DAX flush down, nothing to do. European indexes, really nothing. Then standard gold also starts to make this, so potentially later on, let's say it pushes right now, and then later on it will probably fail and start new trend, and we will take an entry like this or this. So yeah, that's nice for the next week or tomorrow. We'll see. We're right now in this trade, so hopefully this pushes. Yeah, that's really it. Ethereum still valid as well. I want to see those MBs. If it trades them, then that's good. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll be back later on. We'll see what happens, what will happen with gold. So Yeah, as you can see, you're getting raped. And yeah, that's really it. It starts to get a little bit frustrating, you know. It looks like we will be back at 56k. And yeah, this whole month has been no profit. So yeah, again, that's trading, of course, and it is what it is. But yeah, the setup looked nice. MB1 starting to move out of this chop. Sure, we are still in this crazy ass shit, but we had a flush, exactly like I yesterday spoke about that I didn't want to take this Henshi, MB1, MB2, because we were chopping, and I told you that I want to see a flush. We got a flush. MB1, MB2, got an Henshi. Looks like we will be stopped out. So what's up? It's now Saturday. I didn't take any trades yesterday. We had this trade in Thursday, which was a stop loss. And yeah, yesterday and Friday I didn't take anything because nothing really um, showed any kind of strength in the market. None of the assets, and yeah. So right now we are at 56k, and and yeah, obviously right now markets are closed except cryptos, but cryptos doesn't do anything. They're dropping down, so nothing to do here. Um, yeah, so that's about it really. Yesterday I was watching still US 500, waiting for maybe MB1, pause, MB2, the same thing on this one, but nothing happened, and yeah, so I'll end this episode right now.